Hi, this is Gustav, the developer of TupiTube, transmitting from Tupiland. Welcome to our channel. This is my first streaming transmission in a long time, and I wanted to get back to try to share with you more tips and more examples about how to use TupiTube. So, off web is in the chat. Hello there. I want you to know that this is just a testing transmission. I just want to check that all my setup is working well. So all I'm going to do in this transmission is a little basic exercise of TupiTube. Okay? I want to say hi to off web, my first user in this streaming. Very welcome. Okay, let's start with this little example. So let's move to the screen and let's start launching TupiTube. Okay, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to use the default format, the default dimension, the vertical, high definition, the usual, and let's start. Okay, what I'm going to do here is to add a background image. I'm going to use it from the library panel. I'm going to use the online feature, and I'm going to look for a space background. In the filter combo, I'm going to check the dynamic background option. So let's see what designs I have to pick. I'm going to use the first one. Now I'm going to import it into my project. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to do is to open the vector dynamic background mode, and I'm going to change the direction of the background. I'm going to pick the option down because I want the background to move down in this scene. Okay, I'm going to set the speed of the movement to 10 pixels per frame. That will be the speed of the background movement, and that's it. Now I'm going to move to the frames mode, and I'm going to add 10 frames for my exercise. It's a simple exercise, so I won't need more than 10 frames to work on it. Okay, now that I have the background ready, I'm going to pick the vector foreground mode. The vector foreground mode is a special mode that is in front of everything in the scene. Every object, anything that I add in this mode will be in front of anything else. So I'm going to use this mode to add the spaceship I want to use for my scene. So now I'm going back to the library panel, and I'm going to look for the spaceship. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to use the filter object, and I'm going to look for a spaceship for my animation. I have 3 options here. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to import it, and I'm going to add it into the foreground mode. That's it. By default, it is placed in the middle of the scene. I have to save my project, so let's save it. That's it. Okay, as I was saying, by default, all the objects that I import into the scene will be located in the middle of the workspace. It's perfect for what I want to show you. So now I'm going to go back to the frames mode, And that's it. Now my scene is ready. Let's take a look to the preview player. Voila, my exercise is done. Okay, this is the exercise I wanted to share with you. This little transmission. Remember that this is just an experiment. I just want to try to do more of this kind of transmissions with very basic exercise, so you can learn easy tips, nice tricks that you can use in your own projects. That's all for now. Finally, in case you want to support this project, remember that you can help us supporting the project using PayPal and Patreon. I'm leaving the links just for a second. Okay, and let's get back to the screen. Okay guys, this is all for now. I hope to make new streamings in the coming days, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this TupiTube, and that's all for now. Keep animating!